Today I'm going to share how you can earn $10 in PayPal money per hour, and this is available working online. You can do this from absolutely anywhere in the world, and if PayPal's not available in your country, then you can also go ahead and get paid via bank transfer. So there's something for everybody in this video. Now, as always, what we'll do is I'll go over exactly how this works. I'll show you the website, I'll show you how to get everything set up for yourself, and I've already mentioned this is available worldwide. It's absolutely free to get started with. You don't need any skills or any experience, and the company that we're going to be looking at today, they've been around for coming on 9 years now. They've also worked with some really big brands. So here are a couple that you can see on the screen. They've worked with T-Mobile, Honda, and many, many more. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll go over and I'll share with you how you can earn $10 per hour and also more. I'll then go and show you some different testimonials for the website and different earning proofs. I'll also share with you a blog article that I found earlier on this morning of someone who's earned over $80,000 using this platform, and then we'll just go over some additional tips of how you can basically earn more money with this method. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video, and I'll just walk you through this really simple process of how you can start earning $10 per hour, literally just working from anywhere in the world. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to go over this really simple method that you can use today to start earning some extra money online. So let's go straight into the website and I'll walk you through exactly how this all works. So let's jump over here. Not over here, this is my YouTube channel. I want to go over here. Let me click on this one here. So this is the website we're looking at today, and it's called ClickWorker. So you want to come over to this website, and there'll be a link down below for you. You can come over here. So this is the home page. Now this is not what you're going to be interested in. This is aimed at all of the big companies that come over here to use this, and we looked at a couple of examples a minute ago, which was Honda, T-Mobile, and many more. So what happens on here is companies come over here to basically outsource tasks, and there's micro tasks that they're going ahead and outsourcing. I'll scroll down here and I'll show you some examples of this. So these are some of the different tasks which companies outsource, and this is where we come into play, and you can earn money for doing some of these really simple tasks. And I'll show you these in a bit more in depth in a second. So if I come down here, you can see the companies based in USA and Germany, work for etc. etc. We're not interested in any of that. Come down here, so these are different companies that they've worked with. You can go ahead and check out these reviews here and also these here. Scroll down here, I'll very quickly show you this. So on the home page, you'll want to scroll right down to the bottom, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on register as a ClickWorker. But one thing very quickly that I wanted to go ahead and share with you is if you come down to the bottom of the home page here, you'll find all of the different links to their social media platforms, and the company are very active on especially Twitter. So you can see on here, this is their Twitter profile. They're very active on here. And when I was reading some articles this morning, they said if you have any questions or you're uncertain about anything, then you can go ahead and reach out to them on Twitter or Facebook. That's the two different best platforms to go ahead and connect with them. So let me come out of here. So we're now on the sign up page. So to get here, if you remember, we literally went to the home page, signed down to the bottom, and just clicked on become a worker. So if I come down here, so this is exactly how it looks. So I'm going to scroll down here. So you can go ahead and you can download the app. It's available on the Play Store and also on the App Store. And I'll go ahead, in fact, let's just click on this. I'll show you how the app looks inside the Play Store. So let's quickly jump over here. So you can see it's currently had 1,861 downloads, but this is basically how it looks inside the app. So earn money wherever you go. It will show you inside the app, so you've got different, different jobs that have been assigned to you, more jobs that are available on here, and you can see that there's always different jobs available on here. In this example here, you've got take photos of fragrances in here. There's many more available. You've then got your account balance in here, and here's some surveys, so you can go ahead and earn money doing these really simple surveys. So that's the app. That's how it looks inside of the app. But let's go back up to the sign up page. So if you scroll down here, these are the different types of jobs that are available for you. So you can see on here, you've got creation of text, you've got data categorization, you've got copy editing, you've got web research, proofreading, surveys, app testing, and also mystery photographers. So there's lots available on here for you. So how does it work? So they've got a simple 6-step process on here. So first of all, you go ahead and you sign up. You then fill out your profile, complete short assessments, and then it says here, good results ensure many jobs. So what I've taken from reading this is when you're filling out your profile, make sure you include as much information as possible, and then they'll be able to go ahead and match you to different jobs that are available over on ClickWorker. And then once you've done that, you can see here, you then move on to process your jobs online. Then you get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. Now over here on the right hand side, you've got benefits at a glance. So you can see, the thing what I really like about this is you can basically work on here whenever you want. So look, let's be honest, this is not going to go ahead and replace your full-time job or your full-time income. This is just another additional way that you can earn some extra money online and from home. But what I like about it is you can basically work from anywhere in the world and whenever you have any spare time. So you're not tied down to any of these jobs. You can basically just log in and go ahead and have a look at some jobs which are available at a time that suits you. There's also different ways how you can increase your earnings on here, and we'll come back to that in a little bit. And there's usual stuff on here, but you can go ahead and you can get paid via PayPal or bank transfer. So if you scroll down here, you've got testimonials on here, and then like I say, you've got further questions, you can reach out to them on these different platforms here. So let's go through the actual process. I'll show you. So I'm going to click on sign up. This is the sign up page. This is exactly how it looks. So you would simply go through this process on here. So you'd go through, country of residence, go through this, and literally just go through the sign up process. And you can see on here there are no hidden costs or fees. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You do not need any formal qualifications for this. And then when you receive payment once you earn $10 and your balance never expires. So this is how you go ahead and sign up. Now let me go and show you some points on this which I found when I was going through this research this morning for you. So you can see on here, in terms of the payment, the ClickWorker Advantage, this is over on the ClickWorker/job. So the tasks here at ClickWorker are smaller and can be done separately, and you can see on here, depending on qualification, speed, practice and concentration, you will earn well over $10 per hour. On average, we expect that a ClickWorker earns $9 per hour, and that's when you're first starting out on the platform. So you can go ahead and have a look at this here. I'll drop links to everything I'm talking about below for you. So you can see on here, this is the expected earnings, how much you can start earning on the platform. I'm going to go over here and I'll show you this. So this here is on the frequently asked questions page, and to be honest with you, there's a hell of a lot of information on here. So I went through here and just had a look at a couple of things I wanted to highlight for you. This was the first one. So basically, the most important one, how much are you going to go and get paid, and how and when do you get paid? So you can see here, the fees for jobs will be I can't even read that. The fees for jobs process will be credited to your ClickWorker account immediately. So basically, once you've gone ahead and done the job, that balance will be put into your ClickWorker account. And then that will become payable to you after 7 days unless stated otherwise. So once you go ahead and you complete a task and you've got that balance in your account, you can then request a withdrawal, and that request to withdraw the money and hit your PayPal account or your bank account, it takes 7 days. Now in terms of the minimum withdrawals, you'll see on here the account in which it's here. So basically, for terms of PayPal, you can go ahead and, this is saying this is in euros. So once you go over €5, you can withdraw, and then you've also got €10 if you're going to go ahead and do a bank account or a payment transfer to your bank that way. So that's one thing to note on here. So I wouldn't want you to go ahead and do a job and then wonder why you haven't been paid after 5 days. So you will have to wait 7 days unless stated otherwise. And there's lots more on here, and I've gone through all of this morning and done a lot of research on them, to be honest with you. So I have no worries or concerns going ahead and recommending this company to you today. So in terms of research, I'll show you a couple of articles here that I went ahead and found. So this one here is on a website called homeworkingclub.com, and I've just literally scrolled down to the bottom of the article here for you. So you can see on here, ClickWorker review conclusion. It's a decent platform. It's improved slightly in recent times. And then basically, you come down here, you can see here they've given the website an 80% rating, so well worth a go. Ease of use, accessibility, earning potential, and this rating here and all of these here has come from users. So if I wanted to go ahead and leave a vote on here, I absolutely could do. I'm not going to, but you can see this here has been done by people submitting their votes on here. If I scroll up to the top of the article here, you can go through and have a look at this. It's a pretty in-depth article onto the platform. Sorry, let me go ahead and just quickly get rid of this and get rid of this. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Like I mentioned, it is in depth. You can go ahead and check this out for yourself. And the other article I wanted to share with you, which was, I literally found this just before I went to go ahead and record this video, was this one here. So you can see on here, this is on homebasedjobshq.com. This is ClickWorker review, and this is how he earned $80,000 from ClickWorker with proof. So this is quite a long article. I've not actually been through this article yet, but again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this and see how he earned $80,000 from ClickWorker. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please go ahead and give the video a like. If you have any comments, then please leave them down below for me. And as always, if you like really simple, really easy methods to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then I'll always let you know when I've uploaded new content. So that's it. Go and have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.